This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite 3D art kits, continuing with the Papier-Mâché Ice Cream cone. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your ice cream cone. In our bag, you will receive a couple sheets of packing paper, some Staflo starch, a plastic cup with strips of paper towel, a few paint colors, pom-poms, and a big red one for your cherry on top, along with a paintbrush. To begin, loosely form a ball with the packing paper to create your scoops. Use generous amounts of tape to attach them to the plastic cup. Packing tape works best for this. Tape the first scoop to the cup and repeat with the second scoop on top of the first. Next, dip the strips of cut paper towel into the Staflo, dripping off the excess. Create a layer of the Staflo dipped paper towels all over the ice cream cone, covering it entirely. It is best to do this twice, creating 2 layers on top of each other. Be sure to double check that you did not miss any spots. Allow this to dry for at least 2 days or until the paper towels get hard and form a shell around your ice cream cone, which you can then paint. Using the paints provided in your kit, paint your ice cream cone. Be sure to wash and dry your brush when alternating between colors to avoid unwanted mixing. Once your paint is dry, using Elmer's glue, attach the pom-poms as sprinkles on your ice cream cone. Use the larger red pom-pom for the cherry on top. Your ice cream cone is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.